I be claiming on the realest, ain't seen my nephew yet. Like I can't hit up Molly phone like what my nephew at. I put.
What's the 82's budget? I'm back. We back with another, man. We got Ballers Life, East Coast, man. Lost Tapes episode 7. We got HEZI God versus Climb God 1v1 chat. Hey, this would be some crazy shit right here. You got HEZI God versus Climb God. Hey, I didn't expect this one right here, man. You see this, the Lost Tapes right here. I ain't gonna lie to you. So I don't know how this game finna go. You feel me? You got HEZI God, and then you got probably one of the best defenders on YouTube, bro. So it's like the shit finna be crazy. Oh no, the shit actually finna be crazy though. Like no cap though. Like yeah, this shit finna be hard. This finna be an interesting 1v1, man. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, press the subscribe button, get your boy to 10,000 subscribers, man. We just hit that 1K like last week, man. I appreciate y'all support. No cap, you feel me? All my new subscribers, appreciate y'all coming through. Shout out to JD Nation, man. No cap, you feel me? But I know what y'all came for. I came for it too, man. If we get straight into it, see if this video, see what this 1v1 time out, man. No cap. Let's get straight into it. No cap.
Will be returning in the near future. In the meanwhile, there were plenty of matchups we were not allowed to release due to contractual obligations. Until now, these are the lost tapes.
It's crazy because like both of them could defend. It's crazy because like you really just can't say like one could defend better than the other time. Both of them could defend, but Climb God is Climb God type shit. But and then Climb God can really get a bucket too. So that's why it's gonna be so crazy because it's like yeah. Maybe we're gonna put some decent ass gym rooms. No cop. Oh no, this got it. It's a high school. Say high school. No cop. Decent ass high school, bro. Oh no. My high school was not this big. My general high school was this big, boy. Woo-hoo. Chat, y'all just don't know, boy.
Alright, let me know in the comments who you guys have winning this game. But listen, hey, I've been playing daily fantasy. Hey,
let me know y'all got one in the comments too. Climb God or HEZI God. One up. Come on, man. You know what he make that come on, man. You know what he looking for. It's only one thing you looking for. You get that come on, man. Lean to the side, looking at the rough type shit, like call that foul type shit. You feel me? Look at his face, Jack. You know what he's. Y'all know what he want, bro. Y'all know what he want. And this man HEZI got funny as shit, bro. Them shoes they got on crazy, bro. And one. That's a good defense. That's all ball. You can't call no foul right there. That's all ball. You heard that. Come on, ref. That was all ball, ref. You heard that shit, man. Oh, shit. God damn. Oh, my God. Shot. 3-1, 3-1. Oh. And one. Ball. Like down. Yeah, them shoes is hard. Like no cap. Them shoes is so tough, bro. What is them? I don't know if it's a colorway just like different. I don't know, bro. Like shoes with a lot of stuff going on and they actually tough. You just gotta make them right. So quiet in there. Down. 6-1. All you get the basketball dribbling. Shoes, you feel me, doing that. What they doing?
Hey. Fuck, Tim.
He can't get his shot going.
Oh my God, bro.
Come on, Timmy.
Good shot.
Foul, bro. He grabbed my arm.
That one.
You just playing how you calling it, cuz he not calling it, so I'm playing that way.
He ain't calling nothing. Ruff ain't trying to do his job. He just want to throw the ball in and just look at him play. Ruff, whole time, Ruff is not here to rough the game. He just here for entertainment, man. He just want to see them hoop. He ain't see them hoop in person. He want to see them hoop in person. That's all he here for. That nigga, man, he ain't blow the whistle not one time, bro. Good shot. Damn. Look how he threw it at him. He hit it, child. He got HEZI guy. He it, bro. No, Kelly guy threw the ball at him, bro. He only hit it, child. He get that. Come on, man. What you doing that for, man? What you doing that for, twin? Oh my God, bro. Ruff finna risk it all, and he finna go attack him, child. No cap.
Come on, man. Call it, bro. You jumping into him. We both complaining. It ain't like I'm just complaining. Fuck.
Let's see if he start making. Let's see if he start calling calls now, chat. What y'all think? I don't think he. I think he finna still do him. That 1, 7-4. It's not a 1v1 though that you won't see HEZI guy like complaining about a foul or anything. Though, like,
I took my business
I don't think it'd be. I don't think it'd be a good 1v1 if he ain't. Like,
Shopify has
I ain't gonna lie to you. If HEZI guy ain't complaining the 1v1, it's not gonna be a good 1v1. Keep it a buck with y'all. Shot.
Nice move, Tim. Nice move.
kill each other.
Bro, the referee the funniest nigga ever, bro.
Come on! It's open. It's crazy.
Yeah, M1, A4. I just gave up.
It's bullshit, even this nigga extra possession.
Call the game.
Oh, one.
I'm just gonna say, like, he see the man tired. Why he not going at him? Like, my man's had the guy that bit, like, he just jumped out the pool, and you feel me? Like, no cap, bro. Like, bro, he gotta go at him, bro. That man is tired. Like, he worn out right now. Like, he might well go ahead and bucket, do what he doing. He use that shoulder spin, jumper, shoulder, pull up, shoulder, and like, you feel me? Do something. I feel like Climb Guy can really win the game. That man HEZI got us worn out right now. But then you settle for a three. Like, he settled for threes when he don't have to settle for threes. So the man can really get to the bar. He can really get to the bar. It's not that hard. He loses game, he sold himself. Oh my God! It won! Man laid on him. He got laid on and got laid on. Hey, nah, that move was crazy, bruh. That man really laid on that man and went to sleep, child, no cap. You know that man went to sleep, man. That was a crazy move, though. That was a good move. 10-5. Ref like, man, Harry, get this game over so I can leave, man. I ain't messing with you niggas no more. Game. Shot. 12-5, man. Feel me? HEZI God came through, got the dub, man. You feel me? Ref. Child, I don't know, man. I think the ref ain't doing no more balls like videos after this one. I don't think the ref get no more balls like videos after this one, man. Don't count. But I was a W1v1, man. Don't count. You feel me? If Clamp Guy would have said what he supposed to do, what I told him to do, he probably would have won. Like, no count. Like, if he was going at him off the, you feel me? Because he worn out. Yeah, HEZI God worn out, child. You feel me? It's not too much HEZI God go. You feel me? He go get worn out throughout the game. All you gotta do is just go at him. Hook, baha, shoulder, and one. You feel me? Try to get a foul. I don't know. I would say try to get a foul call, but the ref won't mess with it. The ref won't fuck with the foul thing. I ain't gonna lie to you. He wasn't call no call. But still though, at least try to get the aggressive. Hook, shoulder, and one. You gotta understand, HEZI God ain't gonna contest that. He already tied, so he's like he gonna either just put his hands up or he go sit and just hope that you miss. Like, you feel me? Like, but if he would have did that, he would have been cool because he was using the shoulder, then the spin jump. It was working for it, but he kept just shooting threes. So that's why I feel like he just sold himself. But W video, man, no cap. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all hear HEZI God winning, man. Y'all got y'all money's worth, man. No cap. HEZI God to the dub. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe on that road to 10K, man. Smash the subscribe button. And I'm gonna get with y'all in the next video, man. No cap. We gone. Love.
I don't need to send that boy a prayer, Molly blicking on couch. JD, you with me right or wrong? If you see him, know him now. I be claiming I'm the realest, ain't see my nephew yet. Like